Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. Well, this week I have a request from multiple soon-to-be winter brides, and they all ask the same thing. Miss Planet, can you show us a holiday centerpiece that can be used for a holiday wedding? Well, guys, not only am I going to show you, I'm going to give you the links to the supplies that you need to create this stunning holiday centerpiece. I'm even going to give you a couple of tips how you can do some things for it with Dollar Tree items. So I'm very excited to help all you soon-to-be holiday brides out. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with our Christmas in July holiday wedding centerpiece. Okay, guys, let's get to it. So for those of you who have access to a Dollar Tree, you can create the candle opera using a tea light holder as well as a glass candle holder, both of which can be purchased from the Dollar Tree at $1.25 each. Attach them together using E6000, give them about 30 minutes to 45 minutes to dry, and then you're ready to continue with your project. To create our base for our centerpiece, we're going to use about a 14-inch piece of a pool noodle. I purchased this one from the Dollar Tree, but they can be purchased from anywhere. I'm going to cut it in half in order to place my candle opera pieces in the center and attach them with these zip ties. Now the zip ties are 8 inches long and they go on very easily. And once you've got them all in place, just cut off the little ends of the zip ties and you're ready for the next step. Well, guys, how did we do? I think it's absolutely breathtaking. And to think, so simple to create. This centerpiece would be the focal point of any beautiful holiday and or wedding. Well, if you like it, please go ahead and like us. Why don't you subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted? And if you have any questions or just want to leave a comment, head on down to the comment section and leave it there. I answer all the comments and questions personally, not one of my team members, because I love hearing from you guys. If you want to hang out with us some more, by all means do that. And you can find us on Facebook, Twitter, also known as X, Instagram, and don't forget to check out our Pinterest page. If you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, what are you waiting for? Head on over to Rakuten, or you can head right down in the description, click on the Rakuten link, sign up for your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month, just for shopping. So if you haven't checked it out, head on down the description and check out our link. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. We so enjoy hanging out with you, and we appreciate you hanging out with us on YouTube. We know you have so many options, and we don't take you picking us lightly. Well, don't forget that all of the links to all of the supplies we use in our projects are always in the description below. Click on that little arrow, and you will find all the links there for your use. If you would like for us to help you with the project, please head over to our website, MissPlanet.com. You can click on the links under the description, or you can click right in the corner. It'll take you there. Click on the Project Request tab. Follow the very easy steps, and we will be more than happy to help you with your project. Please do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast, and I absolutely hate telling anyone no. Well, guys, our time has come to an end, and I just want you to remember that when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.